Guys and gals, Froggy here, real quickie here. This is a sandal with little, very thin heel came off of it, and it's just glued on. There's no nails or stitching or anything, so I'm going to try to glue it back on there. I just cleaned up this part to get the old glue off with some 80 grit, and I'm using this epoxy here, JB Weld, sorry, out of frame, JB Weld 2-part epoxy. I'm going to mix that up, spread it on there, and then I'm going to clamp it and cross your fingers, and I will add on to this later on, tell you how it came out. Just in case you've never used 2-part epoxy, you have to mix it together. Okay, the way I'm going to do it is to spread it on both pieces, very thin, so it doesn't dribble out too bad. If it dribbles out a little bit, I can take a knife and cut it off, but let's stick them together. This is sets up in 5 minutes, so you got to move a little fast. A couple blocks of wood, put it in my vise, and I put in maybe 10 or 15 pounds of pressure on it. That's all. It doesn't have to be too much, and I don't want to crush the little cushy part of what there is there on the sandal. I don't think there'll be too much more to show you guys and gals, so I'm going to wrap this up, and then I can put the video up tonight. So give me a thumbs up, like if this helps you out, subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon. Don't forget to vote if you want to change how this country's headed.